All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking fun with Fords. So behind me is a Ford Edge. Over there is a Ford Expedition. Both of them giving me problems. I figured I would share the misery with y'all, just, because we all have one of those days. So this Ford Edge behind me, you can't tell, is getting a steering rack and power steering hose. No big deal. Not a hard job. Boom, boom, boom. Got the old rack out. Go to pull the new rack out of the box, and guess what? It's the wrong rack. Not even close to right. Yay! And all I can get from our suppliers is A1 Cardone. Hell no. And Vision OE, which probably be okay, but rather not if I don't have to. So wound up going to Ford dealer. Our Motorcraft supplier had none in stock, which is why I wound up going with the rack I went with, which I'm not going to name names. No, it wasn't A1 Cardone. Got a rack coming from the dealer in the morning, but dead in the water. Can't do nothing with it. I was replacing it for a leak, obviously. Hopefully it comes in. There's the old rack. And this Ford Expedition unfortunately needs a air suspension compressor. It died, blew the fuse, nothing real major. Go to put the new compressor in, it now runs, but won't actually lift the car. It's a bad compressor. I said I won't name any names, but we've been having a bunch of problems with these. So I think from going forward, probably going OE. We wound up going through 2 complete sets on a Lexus of airbags, and total of 3 sets on it. On the second one, we got 1 good one, and then we had to put a 3rd one in. Luckily, my supplier will be paying me to reinstall. But yeah, it's been one of those days. I had both these vehicles sold coming into today, waiting on parts on both of them, and yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Been one of those days. If you enjoyed my pain, give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.